guys, welcome back here. Yes, to this vlog is I want to be short topics about ano ba ang nagugustuhan sa isang lalaki sa babae. Yan, what does the thing that really man like to the girl. Yes guys, kung alam nyo, if you know, please comment down for me guys. Maybe, yes, maybe the attitude, number 1, and number 2 maybe the face, or number 3 maybe she looks like so friendly, that's why the guys like her very much, and maybe she is very sweet. Yeah, kaming mga babae guys, hinahanap din namin sa lalaki yung sweet, yung understanding. Yan, I love the guy, very sweet, very understanding, and very caring, and gusto ko yung sinusuportahan niya ako lagi. I like that the guy always support me, whatever I did, whatever I do, he's always there for me. Yan, that was my weakness to a guy. How about you guys? What do you want to all the women that you are looking for? You like sweet or beautiful or sexy? I know some of men like sexy, yes, but you know guys, sexy is only a sexy. Yeah, sexy can fade. Yan, mawawala yung pagka-sexy. The sexy will grow old, and then the skin will grow wrinkles and not so fine. So I want to advise you all that if you are looking for a woman, you just look for the heart. Yes, if the woman is very nice, the heart is very nice, the character is very good, she's very understanding, and you can live forever, or you can stay longer on your relationship. Yes, I want to only advise to all my fellow friends, to all my followers, to all my fans here, that sexy is only a sexy. The most important is what's in the heart. Yan po yung aking weakness guys. Kung ano yung nasa puso ng isang tao, yun ang tinitingnan ko. Hindi ko po tinitingnan na pangit siya, gwapo siya, mayaman siya, mahirap siya. No, I never. Kung ano yung nilalaman ng puso niya, malalaman mo naman yun guys, kung totoo talaga yung intensyon niya sa'yo. Yeah, kasi diba may mga lalaking sa unang tingin lang ay maganda, pero katagalan ay nagbabago na sila. Kaya yan ang bantayan yung mga langga, mga beshi. Yan. Para sa akin, isa lang yung taong gustuhan ko. Yan, isa lang talaga, na even we are not meet each other, but he's there to me, he's there to support me, he's always there, encourage me without promises guys, without promises. As long he said, I want to see you happy, I want to see you happy, and then you can go out with your boss, you can go away in that house, because para akong bilanggo dito guys, para akong slave. Kung nakikita nyo lagi ako sa lahat ng aking channel, lagi po ako naka-uniform kasi yung aking boss ay napaka-stricto, kaya tiniis ko po yun, tiniis ko ng tiniis. Seryosong usapan na to guys, hindi to prank, totoo. Yan, thank you, yan lang po muna, and salamat po. If nagustuhan nyo itong aking vlogs, huwag kayong magmadali, subscribe nyo agad ako. Yan, huwag kayong magmadaling umuwi or lumabas sa aking channel kung hindi nyo pa ako na-subscribe. Yan, salamat. Yan, sana nagustuhan nyo ang aking outfit for today. Nang labaw akong short guys. Yan, palabo na lang nato guys, kay kana si Lolo masuko man na siya, og dili ka mag short. Maunang ipalabaw na to guys, para makita ni Lolo nga na atay short, para dili niya ibutangan og restricted. Yan, salamat, have a nice day. Bye, salamat.